Nikki, it's good to see you. On your way over here, did you see a lady dressed in linglong clothing?
Also, she'd be wearing...
Did something... Before I explain everything, have you...
I don't think I've heard of it. Is it the
They're a renowned music troupe from the Linlong Empire. They travel the world on their ship, also called the White Jade, creating a... Their leader, Duyubai, has captivated every audience with her... According to Mr. Lai,
We're new to Florawation. The whole crew is bad.
So the crew reported it to the... Master Du is a celebrated artist, and if something happens to her...
What?
The problem is, due to the conflict between Ambros... Because of this, our forces in Florawish are...
Momo and I are pretty good at finding...
If you two help...
Captain...
Here's a... Mr. Lai mentioned that her pipa strings snapped during practice.
Ms. Du did say that. She said the material need...
Sounds like Pony... Could she have gone...
Stay safe. If...
Doesn't look like she's here. Let's look somewhere else. Nikki, listen. It sounds like someone's calling for help. Let's check it out. Careful. Are you okay?
I'm fine, thanks to you and my people.
That outfit. That feet.
Yes, I'm Duyubai.
The crew of the White Jade thought you were missing and reported it to the Kingdom Guards. They gave us a photo as part of the search. We came here on behalf of the Kingdom Guards to find you.
I see. Lime,
That's right!
he's been with me since he was little. He's a good kid, but he often I stayed up all night composing once and overslept the next morning. When I woke up,
And then? Did you give them all a scare?